Hi, I'm Alex with Treasure Coast House Hunters. Today we're at PGA Village Verano in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and I'm thrilled to introduce to you the stunning Whitney model. This home boasts 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms and a spacious 3-car garage. It's perfect for the modern family. As we step inside, you'll be greeted by a spacious living room that's perfect for gatherings and relaxation. Now let's take a look at this gorgeous kitchen, equipped with all the modern amenities you could ever need. The Whitney model offers 3 spacious bedrooms, providing comfort and privacy for everyone in the family. And don't forget to check out this lovely backyard, perfect for an amazing pool and relaxation. So if you want to know more about this fantastic property or explore more options, check the comments below for our contact information. And please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for instant access to all of our videos. Now let's continue the tour. Step inside and you'll be greeted by the impressiveness of PGA Verano's signature 11-foot 4-inch volume ceilings, which effortlessly soar to an impressive 12 feet in the coffered tray ceilings found throughout the home. As you cross the threshold, the entryway welcomes you with a captivating 14-foot coffered tray ceiling, setting the tone for the luxury and sophistication that await within. Safety and durability are paramount at PGA Verano. These homes are constructed to withstand the harshest elements, meeting the most rigorous storm codes. Featuring solid concrete block construction and hurricane impact glass throughout, you're not just buying a home, you're investing in your family's security. The addition of concrete tile roofing not only elevates the aesthetic appeal, but also ensures that your homeowner's insurance remains exceptionally affordable. Yet, the luxurious experience extends even further. When you're under contract for a home at PGA Verano, you'll have the privilege of working closely with a talented designer to customize all the finishes in your home. From hand-selected countertops and exquisite cabinetry to an array of flooring options, every detail is meticulously crafted to align perfectly with your personal style and preferences. Thank you for joining us today on this exclusive tour of PGA Verano in the heart of Port St. Lucie, Florida. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the luxurious lifestyle this community has to offer. Before we wrap up, we'd like to share something important with you. If you're considering making PGA Verano your new home or exploring other new construction communities in the Treasure Coast area, it's crucial to have the right guidance. Builders in these communities often require that you work with a trusted real estate team from your very first visit. That's where we come in, the Treasure Coast House Hunters team. Working with us means you'll have a dedicated navigator throughout the entire process and beyond. Moving to a new community can bring many questions and uncertainties, But with us, you're just a phone call or text message away from answers and support. We're here to make your transition seamless and enjoyable. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos showcasing incredible homes and communities. We value your feedback. Please take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your opinions matter to us, and we're always striving to create content that resonates with you. For more information on PGA Verano and other communities, or to get in touch with us directly, you can find all our contact details in the video description below. Once again, thank you for joining us today. We look forward to being your trusted partners in finding your dream home in the Treasure Coast. Until next time, take care and stay inspired.